attempt to adjust your dial. I'm transmitting live with the hardcore style. Fresh new kicks in the all-star glow. I'm up in the mix, this Paul, large pro. Straight out the gate.
Welcome back to the 944 build. Today, I'm just gonna take the wheels off. I want to see how the brakes are. I'm in a condition of the rotors, if I need to get them turned or just buy new ones. I'm kind of leaning on buying the new ones because what it costs to get them turned is about the same price. I want to release the pressure on the wheels. Some of them are a little stiffer than others. Some spin pretty freely, some don't. We're gonna just take apart all that stuff. Also, I want to see what the wheel bearings are like. This is an old car. I doubt the wheel bearings have ever been changed. I want them to be nice and smooth. Come follow me and watch me disassemble this and figure out how to take wheels off a car. Hopefully it's just as easy, but you never know. With these old cars, it seems like I'm always running into little bitty issues. First things first, we're gonna want a breaker bar. We'll put a little extension on there too. So I believe it's a 19 mil. We're gonna wash these wheels up too, spray them down with a bunch of grease remover. I've been cleaning my wheels. They're pretty muddy and greasy, but right now I just want to take the top layer of soil off all of them. And then after they're all dried up, I'm gonna hit it with a degreaser. I noticed that I thought these were brushed aluminum, but it comes to find out that it actually looks like it's painted, which is awesome because I want to get the same paint, cup these, clean up the chips and stuff, and paint the silver, and depending on how well this black is, I might just leave it as is. It's actually in pretty good condition. I don't see scuffs or scrapes, dings, dents. For the middle caps here, definitely need to be repainted. They pop right off, not a big deal. I do like the crest here, and I like that some people will actually paint the little detail inside. I might do that. I might just keep it black to keep it OG. wheels are nice and clean. Well, not nice and clean, but I got them scrubbed down pretty good. There is one wheel that has super thick layer of this like rusty muddy dirt. I don't know, it feels really weird. It didn't match anything else. Maybe the one got a little stuck and never washed that wheel out. I'm letting it soak right now, but there's some thick. It's like it was super layered. I actually got a lot of it off. That's what came out. Just because I'm going to be working in there, I don't want to have the dirt to be raining down on me. Right here is we're going to be draining the brake fluid. That's how you bleed it. These rotors are rusty as to be expected, but I'm not feeling much for grooving. There's a little bit there at the top. Oh, that brake pad actually. There's quite a bit of pad left on the fronts. There's a lot of brake pad left on the back too. So it's hard to spin these, which, you know, I feel like it might be the pressure of this, it might just be rustiness, but when I was spinning them around the wheel on it, it just sounded like the brake pad was just rubbing up against all this stuff. But I didn't hear any grinding or weird sounds from the wheel bearings. The wheel bearings are probably good, but I still need to take off this cap, the dust cap, and then there's a nut inside there that I have to pull off. Take the brake caliper off, and then this should all slide out as one unit. All cleaned up in here. You can see there's still a little bit of stuff I didn't really hit too well, but it's a big improvement. The dirt's just not gonna rain all over me, and that's really what I was after. This side was really bad. It had a whole bunch of greasy dirt. Couldn't even tell that this was even blue. I'm sure you'll see it in the other clips. And in here you can see I kind of missed some spots. I didn't scrub too well in here as well as I thought I did. I noticed I'm really bad at doing an outro. Took the wheels off, we checked out the rotors and brake pads and cleaned the wheels up. Brought them out here to dry off, even though it is possibly gonna rain again, but get what we can off it. And then I'm gonna go spray them down with degreaser, especially this one. I believe this is the front wheel that came off of the passenger side where it's super oily. So hopefully we can get these stains off. And that's all. Until next time, see y'all later.